comes down to... Oh, shit! We gotta go, Terry! I'm fucking getting soaked right now! Terry! God damn, we gotta go! Yeah, damn straight. You know how we be out here. You know, we go out in the mud. You know, we just waking up the neighbors, making sure they know that they gotta get up in the morning. Happy birthday, America! We got 2 mics now. Word? Yeah. I don't know how good the quality. Holy shit! What the fuck? Alright, so today, guys, we're in front of fucking Wawa right now, and we're about to go light this bitch up. I thought we were back quicker. We're going to fucking do not right now. You know how it be out here. Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Hot tamales. Alright, so basically, this is the fucking plan. We got the TNT fireworks. We're sponsored. Yo, there's Wawa over there across the fucking street. We gonna light this bitch up. Wait. We gotta cut to the clip of us cutting it open and like laying them out. Oh, okay. And then we're gonna do like another spiral. So, go like this, go like this.
Now in the street there is violence and oh my god! Get in the car! Give me.
Anyways, I can barely see right now. I'm fucking crying.
Oh Lord. You're gonna fucking flood the X whatever the hell this thing is.
Guys, Hunter's peeing over there. Hey Hunter, how you doing?
Guys, we're going to the woods. We're like, oh shit, it's fucking coming down right now. God damn! Holy shit, Terry, it's fucking raining. Terry, it's raining fucking out. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! My god, comes down us! Oh shit! We gotta go, Terry! I'm fucking getting soaked right now! Terry, god damn, we gotta go! I'm boring! Bro, I gotta do it on my waist right now! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? Airsoft gun, guys.
Currently in fucking hot pursuit of this guy right now.
There's a Impreza with no lights on,
Fucking
blowing red lights.
Fake ass tep tags like the dude. It's the whole 9 right now, bro. Know what's going on. Don't worry, we're gonna talk to him, make sure everything's alright.
Buddy.
You alright? He's only got one headlight. He doesn't even have headlights. Oh my god. That guy's...
Yo, look, bro.
Rev it one time. I'm looking at New York City, baby! New York! Concrete jungle where dreams are made of.
Fuck down, bro.
Oh shit! We're fucking hauling ass!
We're hauling out.
We're hauling. Break! Dude, what the fuck's going on? What the fuck are you doing? You gotta put it on the floor first and then light that bitch. Throw that shit. Go. Fuck, I saw it.
We gotta go.
We fucking smoked out the car.
What the fuck? Shit! Holy shit! Zombies! Holy shit! Come on, bro! There's a fucking zombie back here! There's a fucking zombie! His name was Ronald. Oh! goodbye to it. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Oh.
Anyways, guys.
Okay, we didn't see. All right, we gotta go talk to that cop now.
Damn.
Give him a honk.
I don't know if you saw, there's a huge ass branch that fell in the middle of the road over there.
Yeah,
it covered the entire road.
Yeah.
There was also some guys lighting off some fucking random ass fireworks and running around fucking naked.
That was funny.
I wish we were the Torrent. We were some piece of shit.
Yeah, look, when you talk to him, you gave him like this voice. I don't know if you know, but there's a giant branch down there. I don't know if you know about this yet, but oh fuck. Oh shit. We gotta go.
Wait.
Go.